Have you ever wondered why America is so obsessed with pickup trucks? I mean, look at the sales charts. Year after year, the Ford F-150, the Ram 1500, and the Chevy Silverado are the top-selling vehicles in the entire country. Not just trucks, but all vehicles. It's not just a trend, it's a deep-rooted part of the American identity. So, what's really going on here? Why trucks, and not the equally massive SUVs? Let's start with the most obvious reason: work. America was built on hard work, and the pickup truck is the ultimate symbol of that. For millions of people in construction, farming, and skilled trades, a truck isn't a choice, it's a necessity. You can't haul lumber, tow a trailer full of equipment, or load up bags of concrete in a sedan. The open bed of a truck offers a kind of raw utility that even the biggest SUV can't match. It's a mobile workshop, a hauler, and an office all in one. This connection to work and productivity is fundamental to the American dream, and the truck is its four-wheeled embodiment. But, hold on, you might say, most people driving these giant trucks aren't contractors. You see them in suburban driveways and office parking lots. And you're right. This is where culture and lifestyle come into play. The pickup truck has transcended its workhorse origins to become a powerful status symbol. Driving a truck projects an image of capability, independence, and rugged individualism. It says, I can handle anything. It's a statement piece that connects the driver, whether they're a software engineer or a farmer, to that core American value of self-reliance. It's the modern-day horse for the urban cowboy. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Money. There are some fascinating financial reasons why trucks are so popular, especially for business owners. Thanks to a tax loophole often called the Hummer tax loophole, or Section 179, businesses can write off a significant portion of the purchase price of a heavy vehicle. Many popular crew cab pickup trucks weigh over 6,000 pounds, which qualifies them for this substantial tax deduction. This makes a $50,000 or $60,000 truck a much more attractive financial proposition than a similarly priced luxury SUV that doesn't meet the weight requirement. So, for small business owners, the choice is almost made for them. Then there's the sheer size and geography of America. This is a vast country, with huge swaths of rural land where paved roads can be a luxury. In many parts of the Midwest, the South, and the West, a vehicle with high ground clearance, four-wheel drive, and a durable frame isn't just for fun. It's for getting around safely and reliably. From snowy mountain passes to muddy farm roads, a truck provides a sense of security and capability that a smaller vehicle just can't offer. It's the right tool for the environment. And finally, let's talk about the evolution of the truck itself. Modern pickups are not the bumpy bare-bones work vehicles of the past. They are full-blown luxury vehicles. Open the door of a new F-150 or Ram 1500, and you'll find plush leather seats, massive touchscreens, PREM-IUM sound systems, and a ride that's as smooth as many luxury sedans. They have 4 doors and spacious back seats that can comfortably fit the whole family. So, you get the utility of a truck bed, the comfort of a luxury car, and the space of an SUV. It's the ultimate de-whittle vehicle. You can haul drywall during the week and take the family out to a nice dinner on the weekend, all in the same vehicle. So, when you combine the deep-seated work culture, the powerful lifestyle symbolism, the clever tax incentives, the practical needs of rural life, and the incredible luxury and versatility of the modern truck, it's no surprise they dominate the American roads. They are, in many ways, the perfect vehicle for the American psyche. It's more than just metal, rubber, and glass. It's a rolling piece of Americana. What do you think? Do you drive a truck? Let me know your reasons in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of cars. See you next time.